Good morning. Welcome to
MathIdeas number 112.
MathIdeas number 112. Okay. Today we got a really fun problem. You got a marker that's working?
Yep.
Okay. So the question is, how many line segments total, are there that connect the 6 points of the circle? So when you take all these 6 points on the circle and you draw line segments that connect all of them, how many line segments are you going to have? So how do you want to approach this problem?
Well, maybe we could draw some line segments on the circle.
Okay, great. So which ones do you want to draw first?
We could connect here to here.
All right. What would be a good one to draw next then?
And we could draw here to here.
Okay.
And then we can draw here to here.
All right.
And we can draw here.
All right.
And we can draw here to here. And I do that systematically.
You did that systematically? Okay.
Mm-hmm.
The problem is that all of them? Are there more lines you could draw that connect up some of the points?
Yeah, because there's here to there's here down to here.
Yeah. Okay. Well, what else could you do?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Then we could do here.
All right. Okay. So what I'm going to do is have us start over, because now this is getting kind of crazy, right? We're just drawing line segments all over the place. Let's see if we can start over and do this in a really good systematic way.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Instead of drawing just lines all over the place. But this helps us understand where we're trying to get to. But let's see if we can do this in a way that at least helps us kind of see what's going on. Well, what's a good way to do it in a way that will help us sort of count everything we're doing? What could we do first? Instead of just drawing line segments all over the place, what would be a good way to start?
Systematically.
Yeah, we want to do something systematically. But what does that mean in this situation? What's a good systematic way to draw in all these line segments?
We could go along the edges.
Okay, that's what you did last time. You went along the edges. How about you draw all the line segments that go out of one point? Like, why don't you start at A? Start at A. Okay, and draw all the ones that go out of A.
1, 2.
Oh, we already had that one. Alright, we already had that one, so that's okay.
That's 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, and what would be a good way to draw them, for all the ones from A, to do it systematically? Go to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You just go around the circle.
Now we can do it from point B.
Okay, but now let's see. So we drew in from A, we drew 5. Right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now let's see how many new ones we draw from B. Okay, now remember, I want you to be systematic about this.
Okay. We can go
1, 2, 3, and 4. Oh, so that's interesting. When we were nice and systematic about it, now we drew 4 lines from B. First we did 5, then we did
4.
Ooh, interesting.
How many from point C?
So how many do you think? What would be an interesting pattern that might continue from point C?
Maybe 3.
Maybe 3. Let's see. Let's see from C.
We already drew that one.
Yeah, those ones are already there.
So
1, 2, 3. 3 from C.
This
Okay.
looks 3D.
It does kind of look 3D. How many do you think we're going to draw from D now? New ones. 2. Let's see if that pattern continues. Okay, go.
No, we didn't draw this one.
1.
Now it's
2. Now remember, we're just trying to go around the circle, so maybe drawing that one first would have been better. But that's okay, we did get 2. And then F. How many do we, or from that, F, E. How many do you think we're going to draw from E now?
Maybe 1.
1, maybe just 1. Let's see. Draw all, connect E to all the points. 1. Is E connected to all the points now?
C is connected to A. E is connected to F. E is connected to D. It's connected to C. E is connected to B.
Okay. So 1, and it connected everybody. Now the way to check if it's connected, a good way to check, is just start at A and go around the circle. Is E connected to A?
E.
Is it connected to B? E connected to B?
Yep.
E connected to C?
Yep.
To D?
Yep.
Is E connected to E? Well, E is E, right?
Yeah.
Is E connected to F?
Yep.
Okay, so just, instead of just picking around just kind of random points on the circle, just go around the circle, make it nice and easy. Now we've drawn all the lines. How many lines did we draw?
We drew 5 plus 4 is 9.
Yeah.
Plus 3 is 12.
Yeah.
Plus 2 is 15. Plus 1 is 16.
Are you sure?
Mm.
5 plus 4 is?
9.
9 plus 3 is?
Is 12.
12 plus 2 is?
14.
14. 14 plus 1 is?
15.
15. So we drew 15 lines. Whoa.
We didn't do F yet.
Oh, good point. Why don't you see? Why don't you check? Check if F is connected to everybody. What would be a good way to check?
Go around the circle.
Okay, go around the circle.
Is F connected to A? That's that line there. Is F connected to B? That's that line there. Is F connected to C? Is F connected to D? Is F connected to E? And is F connected to F? Well, F is F.
F is F. So is F connected to everybody?
Yep.
That's really interesting. All right, well, your homework is going to be to do the same thing, but for 5 points rather than for 6 points. So we did the harder one, and then your homework is going to be the one that's a little easier. All right?
Mm-hmm.
Good job.